Viewers, subscribers, welcome back to my channel, Mizpah Adventure. The Mindoro State University selected faculty Dr. Sheridan Bicaldo, Professor Lani Enriquez, Professor Marinel Liwanag, Professor Hazel Pauline Riamucio, attended the National Book Writing Seminar Workshop with the theme Style, Substance, and Power. Learn the essentials and technicalities of book writing last August 1 to 3, 2024 at La Union Convention Center, Barangay Sevilla, San Fernando City, La Union. It was indeed a very enriching encounter of authors all throughout the Philippines. After the said brain-twisting activity, the faculty had been blessed to be given a chance to visit the tourist spots of La Union, especially the said surfing capital of the North. I, Jess Ripolio, friend of one of the attendees, serve as their tour guide to the following destinations. First up is the Machu Temple, where the tourists enjoy the serenity and peace of the place. Next up was the Pagoda. Here they were amazed with the beauty and lush of green scenery of the place. La Union Capitol was also adjacent to the said spot, where they took pictures and videos as well.
a day with us.
안녕하세요. Hello.
Travel with us. Travel na on yun.
Kaya na. Tricycle. Jeep yata tayo. Pwede naman daw na sa sasakyan. 150. Ano mo yung 150 sa 15?
Finally, their last destination was the surfing capital of the North, Barangay Orbistondo, San Juan, La Union. The guests enjoy the sunset and bar hopping activity during their stay at the beach. They were also able to relax and had a sumptuous meal at the tavern by the sea. Experience like this is once in a lifetime. We believe that God is the ultimate source of this wonderful journey. Truly, they were also grateful to me as their tour guide who lead them to these extraordinary places. Viewers, subscribers, till our next field trip. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to your family and to your friends. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Select all so that you will be notified to my new uploaded videos.